Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world we live in. It's not only transforming the way we work and live, but also how we make money. In this video, we'll explore how AI can help you get rich. So watch this video till end and comment down your views on what do you think about artificial intelligence. AI is making many jobs obsolete, but it's also creating new job opportunities. Jobs that didn't exist just a few years ago. According to a recent report by the World Economic Forum, AI will create over 133 million new jobs by 2022. One way to get rich with AI is to start your own business. AI is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. By starting a business that uses AI to solve problems in one of these industries, you can tap into a growing market and potentially create a billion-dollar company. Another way to get rich with AI is to invest in AI-related stocks. Companies like Nvidia, Alphabet, and Amazon are investing heavily in AI and have seen significant growth in their stock prices as a result. The AI industry is projected to be worth over $118 billion by 2025. This presents an enormous opportunity for investors who are looking to get in on the ground floor of a fast-growing industry. But before you start investing in AI, it's important to do your research. Make sure you understand the technology and the companies you're investing in. AI is still a relatively new industry, and there are many risks involved. One of the biggest risks with AI is job displacement. As machines become more advanced, many jobs will become obsolete, leading to unemployment and income inequality. That being said, AI can also create new job opportunities and increase productivity, leading to economic growth and prosperity. By investing in AI, you can potentially create new jobs and help build a better future. AI is also creating new opportunities in the gig economy. Platforms like Uber and Lyft are using AI to match drivers with passengers and optimize routes, creating a more efficient and profitable business model. Artificial intelligence. By working for a company that uses AI, you can potentially earn more money and have more flexibility in your schedule. Companies like Amazon and Google are also hiring people with AI skills, creating high-paying jobs in the technology sector. Finally, AI can help you make money by automating mundane tasks and freeing up time for more valuable activities. For example, you can use AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to manage your schedule, answer emails, and even order groceries. By outsourcing these tasks to AI, you can focus on more important activities, like growing your business or pursuing your passions. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the way we work and live, creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs, investors, and workers alike. By embracing AI and staying on the cutting edge of this technology, you can potentially get rich and build a better future for yourself and others. Thank you for watching.